Period. Oh, I gotta pull these shorts. I didn't want my ass really. This red bra underneath this dress.
Oh, well. Y'all. Okay. I'm trying to figure out what this is. I never seen this before. Food safe divider cup. What? Okay, you know what? Oh, look. Okay, this is what they did. They doing like the little mason jar salad, and then they put in the top right there. That's the dressing.
Oh, okay.
Then I think what you do is you pour this into a bowl, and then I guess that's your dressing. I don't see myself using that, but that's cool. Here's the jar right here. It's a salad jar. It says it on there. Remain cool. A layered salad. You see it?
A layered salad.
That's really cute. I mean, these jars are really cute.
With some rice in it, that's a good idea. It got rice, corn,
and you just dump it like that. You want to try to make some? We can try to make one of these next week. Try these split. Okay, chestnut is the darkest, so that's not big bad. Golden tan. I mean, it's just not something. We got too much new shit. Baby, that's too orange. That's super orange. Look at that. I don't know. I can't. Welcome to the Feminine Hygiene. When it's that time of the month, girl, you need to make sure that thing is snatched up right. So we need flushable wipes. Baby, that little dry toilet paper, it'll work. But come on, follow through. Follow through with these. Clean it up. Clean it up. Wet to dry. Wet to dry. No, like that, you're gonna be good. Come in close for these. This is a whole emergency. Let me tell y'all, this is what really had y'all thinking. Here we go. Right here. This shit right here. These brands have chemicals that are not natural chemicals and chlorine that are not natural. These are the things I believe will play a role. Come on this way. Vagina pH. Yeah. These things. So what I recommend is organic cotton tampons. Organic cotton tampons. See, look, y'all think I'm lying? It tell you it don't got that bullshit in it. Here we go. I personally have used this brand before. Organic tampons, the L brand. I recommend. BPA free, plastic applicators, no rayon, chlorine, bleaching, or synthetic pesticides. No synthetic pesticides. This implies that the other tampons have chemicals and pesticides. Baby, pesticides and pesticides. Do you want pesticides? You make the choice. This is a pack of 30. Let me try to find a pack of 30. This is super and regular. Let me try to find something that's comparable. Pearly. These are
super and regular.
These are comparable. You get 34, $6.99. You get 30, $6.99. Baby, come on. That 4 more, them the ones gonna be with the extra pesticide. Don't get this one. Take that 4 less and protect the pee.
This is not a sponsored video, but it could be.
It's not a sponsored video, but I'm manifesting it because I do love L. Me, I don't really do tampons like that anymore. Honey, I just slowed down. Now what I do is I just get me a little pack of L, chlorine-free, ultra-thin pads. And the crazy thing is, these are ultra-thin, but they're super, okay? So we collect it. No synthetic pesticides, dyes, or fragrances. Keep it fresh. Treat it nice. Ladies, do not waste your money on these brands that don't care about you. Protect the pee. Protecting the pee goes far beyond drinking pineapple juice and cranberry juice. I know y'all think that's the miracle cures for all the world, but baby, you gotta invest in your pants and your tampons and your panty liners. Let's see, so I recommended pads, tampons. Oh, let me recommend y'all some liners. Oh, I've never seen these before. Okay, so these are the liners I like. Also the L brand. Clearly, this is my brand. I only come to Target for a period supplies. I don't get my stuff from anywhere else. 100 liners come in here for $6.99. And you see this? Clean. The Target Clean symbol means these healthy wellness products are formulated without chlorine and fragrance. Perfect. Don't want fragrance. And these are new. If you need some extra coverage, I don't know if these are longer, thicker, but yeah, that too. And yeah, we're just gonna give y'all an overview of products that I recommend for you that are clean at Target.
Those of us who don't like to put things inside a lot all throughout the day, I don't like to have to check and see what's going on in there all day long, so I use these. It is a comfortable, clean, and confident cup that you just slide on up in there just like it was a tampon, and then you just push it down and sink it into the vaginal canal so that it can collect the blood. And it's honestly so comfortable. I forget it's there most days, and for me personally that don't like having a period and don't like having the fact that that happens every month is really annoying, so I'd rather just forget it's happening, put one of these in 12 hours, check it once in the morning, once midday, and then once before I go to bed, and that's all I need all day long. So these are perfect for studs like me.
Period.
15%
on the Cartwheel app. Okay guys, we're gonna try this Vega protein and greens berry flavor. I've tried the chocolate before. It was cool. We're gonna be putting these in our morning smoothies, and it's 18 servings for $24.99. And got the pads, flushable wipes. Oh, okay. Soap. Did we pass the soap out already?
Not sure.
Soap. Whoa, wait a minute. What is this? Type A deodorant with sweat activated technology, the Dreamer. Aluminum free. How does this work? Y'all. Oh, look, babe.
Ah, okay.
Okay. I might have to try this. I want to try this one, and I want to try this one. guys have tried either one of these, let me know down below. Help us as well. Natural deodorants, no antiperspirant recommendations, please. Ooh, this is what I was telling you about, babe. If y'all are looking for a bomb ass razor, this is the one. Plant-based dip. I'm wondering how it tastes. Cauliflower is what they use. But the fact that it's cold, it's throwing me off.
Could warm it up. It's probably cold to keep it like, because it needs to be refrigerated.
They said it's clean too. Clean ingredients: cauliflower, red bell peppers, almonds, water, almond butter, apple cider vinegar, red onions, lemon juice, garlic, sea salt, nutritional yeast, shea protein, ground beef, ground chicken. No gum, dairy-free, gluten-free, and pasteurized, all natural. Period. I keep putting y'all on, but if y'all ain't taking notes, I'ma cut it out. Y'all need to let me know if I help. We're looking for one more thing. We're looking for acai meat. Always read ingredients, y'all. What's all in this one? Oh, this one got organic cane sugar. Shit, this one probably tastes better. This is 70 calories versus 112 sugars versus 0. The last one I had was 0 sugar. I think you put honey on there and stuff. Let's go with the 0 sugar one.
I turned it away.
And that was... Wait. And that was Reed's Ratchet Shop with me at Target.
At Target.
Period.
This is what I deal with on a regular basis, y'all. This kind of antics.
This is always a good option too, this journey. Okay, y'all, we are continuing on this journey of Reed's Ratchet Shop with me. Why I feel like the whole door came off? I'm strong. We are here at Aldi's. I wouldn't call this our favorite grocery store, but we do come here a lot. Ain't that right, babe?
It is right, babe.
Yeah. Great grocery store for budgeters like ourselves. Baby, that moment of silence for my motherfucking hair. Yes, I stopped in the middle of the street. I don't give a fuck. And these people probably looking at me. But if they had spent the time that I spent, which wasn't that much time, that shit fine. Brookside dark chocolate covered pomegranates. The dude $2.99 off. Matter of fact, comment what you've learned so far during this video. Y'all haven't been taking notes? Or maybe y'all knew everything I already said. And if that's the case, comment that too. because then we on the same page. Alignment. Continuing on with Reese Ratchet. All this shopping. Oh, wait. Reese Ratchet. Shopping trip. Shopping trip. You have to work on the title. I don't know. It's not flowing like how I want it. I really like this red. It's my favorite one to get from Aldi's. This is like equivalent to the Ancient 7, whatever the brand is. You can get from like Target and Walmart. It's really good. Plus gluten-free bread is nasty. I'm gonna stop looking. I'm just tired. I'm sorry. I'm not lying anymore. I want some bananas to freeze. You want something to eat?
Mm-hmm.
I just get them. I'm gonna stop talking with it. Like, I don't eat bread enough, so I'm just gonna eat bread. I don't care. First of all, these grapefruit look sick. We just don't get food. Just to be fancy. They really taste like the yellow ones.
But they're gluten-free.
And they're gluten-free. We gotta go. You getting the kind you got last time?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, why don't you get some kind I like?
So get some kind you like.
I like this kind.
Get that then. We can share it.
But I really don't need to be eating this. It's a lot of carbs. It's a lot of carbs.
Especially if you're not going to be working out. You taking a week off, right?
No. I'm going to start back working out. Sunday or Monday. I don't remember when was I eating. If you can't make it to Trader Joe's and you love everything but the bagel seasoning, Aldi's has an alternative for $1.95. I think it's like $1.99 at Trader Joe's. But baby, sweetie, it's delicious. This is what we use for our avocado toast.
Supposed to get salmon today, guys. It's not gone.
Babe, yes it is.
Oh, that's trout.
Wow, that threw me off. I'm trying to think. I don't want frozen. Anywhere else we get it's gonna be farm raised. I don't want that.
I think these are some decent sized ones, so we'll go with this pack. She went to get some kale, so we're finna go get in line. I was telling them you gotta check the size of the fillets in the package to make sure they're good, because sometimes they be trying to scam you and give you small pieces.
What?
They be small cuts sometimes. I need
Oh,
me a
and
big
it's
fish.
skinless. See, with it being skinless, I don't even know if we're gonna be able to do it in the pan first. You know what? I'm gonna have to be real careful because flipping it is gonna be hard. I'm gonna have to use that big wide spatula. Okay, y'all. Sometimes you gotta do what it do. Corona got everybody buy everything. Ooh. Sometimes you gotta get ratchet. Okay, I'm not saying if you get frozen fish, you're ratchet. Take that back.
Not saying that.
But this is not our first choice. But I don't want to come back tomorrow. Sacrifice. To the line.
They got plenty gluten-free stuff, guys. If you want gluten-free, go to Aldi's. Put your stuff on the thing.
Okay, so I want to give y'all a few meal ideas because I just feel like that's the least I could do. Let me give y'all those real quick. So if you're looking for a meal idea that a few meal ideas we have for this week are salmon, rice, and kale. Now I know that sounds very plain, but it's all about how you spruce it up. Y'all, I put the alfalfa back up. Ignore me. It's all about, you gonna check it? You already checked it?
Huh?
No, you gonna check the stuff. Make sure they gave us everything. You want some hand sanitizer? Oh, right there. Okay, so yeah, it sounds boring, but it's all about how you spice it up. Another meal idea is black beans, sweet potato quesadillas with spinach, and then on the side, chips and salsa. Another simple meal, but very good. We got protein, we got healthy carbs, throw some vegan cheese in there, and then season the black beans with taco seasoning. So good. Another meal, or this could be like a lunch, just a Caesar chicken salad using the vegan chicken patties. I'm gonna throw some arugula and baby spinach in there with romaine lettuce, some vegan Caesar dressing, and some just regular Parmesan cheese, since we didn't go to a place that had vegan Parmesan today. And if you're new to my channel, I don't do a lot of dairy because I am
Sorry, I'm making noise.
No, it's okay. Hopefully they can hear me. Never mind. Y'all want to see how I make my salmon? Comment down below. Or if you want to see how I make something, or you got questions about how to make something taste good, I cook with seasoning from the heart. I put love in all my food. I feel like this is the most important ingredient. Sorry, y'all. Gotta speed up. Okay, hope that was helpful. Oh, let me give y'all a few snack ideas. Cucumbers cut up in Italian dressing. Ooh, that's bomb. You can do a vegan protein shake, or you can just do a protein shake. You can make a fresh juice, half a grapefruit, green tea. Now I know green tea don't really sound like a snack, but I swear you can eat and you can drink it and you're gonna be pretty full, especially if you drink some water as well. Acai bowl, avocado toast, that could be a meal as well. You know, things just serve for different purposes. And we're ending our RATCHET shop with me with our dinner, which is Panda Express. Comment down below if y'all like Panda Express and what do y'all order.